god, David. We won! We won!
What did we win?
Our photos are gonna be in Miami for Miami Art Week in the Spectrum show!
Oh no, that's too cool.
Ah! Do you think we can do it? They need to be ready in a week.
Let's try.
We are heading to the art store right now because we are building our frames for Art Basel. We're gonna have some photos showing at the Spectrum show, but we're on a really tight deadline, so we need to get these frames made, assembled, photos mounted, everything. Like it should be done tomorrow. David, how are you feeling?
I'm pretty stressed.
Yeah, he looks stressed, doesn't he?
I think it's just my hair that you're making me feel like. Because I like time is ticking away and the sun's going down quick and I have a shoot at 3. I have to pick up all this stuff and then I still have to like paint and prime and sand, clear coat,
Yeah,
the photos.
but you're like the best under pressure. This is like where you shine, so you're ready.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean I'm not gonna be stressed.
But like, you got it. I
Yeah.
know you got it.
I got it.
And how cool is it going to be to see some of our photos on the wall in Miami?
I'm pretty stoked.
It's gonna be all worth it.
Yes.
We headed to our local art store to buy the spray paint for our frames. We used Montana spray paint because they have such a wide variety of colors to choose from. David cut the frame pieces out on his CNC machine. Then he laid everything out and started assembling the frames with wood glue and a nail gun.
I had a couple errors on this one with the CNC machine, like by a 1/16 of an inch. Not quite sure why. It frustrated me, but I just have to keep moving forward, I guess.
Once he had the frames assembled, he assessed his work.
Right here is where it's off, so
Right here? Oh, yeah, I do see that. So what's your plan?
I have to sand, I guess. And wood fill.
He sanded down the areas of the frame that weren't lining up correctly. Then he went back with wood filler and filled any gaps and nail holes. There's definitely an art to wood filling. The more perfectly you can do it, the better the final product.
I am ready for paint. Woo!
Deck is our spray paint booth. Works out pretty well. It's laying really nicely. We started priming yesterday, but it was way too cold out and the paint was not laying as nicely as we wanted it to. So we took a little pause, waited for some sunshine and warm weather, and now it's going down great.
Frame 1. Walter. Frame 2. Frame 3. Panic green.
This is the most fun part of this whole thing. Ooh, look at that color! Ah, this is the coolest frame. You ready, David?
Yep.
Okay. Whoa, that's really blue. Holy crap. This frame was trickier because we couldn't find an exact color match. So we bought 2 different colors and overlapped them to create the perfect shade. Then David clear coated everything to seal and protect the frames. The colors really popped and the finished frames looked amazing. Then David cut out the plexiglass using the CNC machine. We used a local printer to print our photos because we were on such a tight deadline.
We are over at my mom's house because we figured there'd be less dust here. And we are putting the plexiglass into our frames, but first we have to mount them with spray glue. And it's stressful because dust gets on it. And yeah, so you're not gonna see much of this maybe because it is stressful, but we'll try to show you as much as we can.
Okay, it was really stressful, so we didn't record any of it. But we did it! How great do these look?
I'm making a box to save money on shipping. I cut this box down from like an 18-inch tall to 7-inch cut. And it should save us a bunch of money.
Cool, it seems like really smart. Is it hard to do this?
It's pretty easy if you have a David touch.
Are you nervous at all about shipping?
No.
feel confident?
Yes. I'm separating things just in case something happens. So it should be pretty good.
We packaged our frames as best we could with lots of padding to help keep them safe. And then we headed to the UPS store to ship our photos to Miami. We made it just in time with only 15 minutes to spare before the last pickup of the day. We're going to Miami. We took a 6 a.m. flight and landed in warm, sunny Miami by 8 a.m. We had some time to kill before checking into our Airbnb, so we got some breakfast and explored Miami Beach. We waited until the day before our trip to book our Airbnb, and it paid off. We got an oceanfront room for a killer price. We're at the beach. This was so unexpected, but our room overlooked it and it was just a few steps away, so why not? But it's so nice. I don't want to leave. I'd be totally okay just doing this. We finally pulled ourselves away from the beach and got ready for the main event, seeing our photos be exhibited in the Spectrum Art Fair. We were so anxious and excited when we walked in, and we were on a mission to find our photos. Seeing our photos felt so surreal because 1 year ago, I made a goal to have our photos be exhibited during Miami Art Week, and it happened. We walked around, took in all the amazing art, and grabbed dinner with some new artist friends. This was a quick trip. We were only in Miami for 36 hours, but this trip felt like a dream come true. Like this video, comment, and let us know what you thought of our Miami adventure. And subscribe for more wild photo shoots and behind the scenes content as we work towards becoming artists.